Excuse the head, I just woke up. It is 8:29 a.m. the 17th of May 2020 and we are all still in quarantine. So I thought I would do a what I eat in a day during quarantine because a lot of people have asked me to do this video. So let's get right on into it. This is my oatmeal. I got 2 big bowl satchels because I'm really hungry, and an instant coffee and like a huge liter of water. Yum yum yum, I'm so hungry. Drink your water, kids. So it is about 10 a.m. and I just got a large, strong cappuccino. It's the second day that 10 or less people can go into cafes and sit in there, so it was really weird coming in, ordering coffee, and people are sitting in cafes now. Okay, so I'm at work. It is 12:17. I thought I was gonna have some lunch, but I'm thinking I'm gonna wait until 1 p.m. so I could kind of drag it on a little bit further onto the day. So I thought that I would have a green apple and a kiwi, which I'm obviously going to slice. And I love green apples. I love the sour taste. It's literally my favorite fruit. So I always snack on this if I'm hungry. Now I just wanted to show you guys what I put into my oatmeal. It is the most important meal of the day for me. So I put chia seeds in my breakfast, and I got this at my local health grocery store. And then this is the peanut butter that I'm using right now. It's a little bit cheaper than the one that I usually get. And obviously these are the iconic sachets that I get for when I have breakfast. Usually if I want to lose weight and I think that I can handle eating a little bit less throughout the day, I have 1 big bowl sachet. But sometimes when mama needs a little bit of energy, I go for 2. I'm just listening to my body. I'm not starving myself. As soon as my stomach started to hurt, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna have a fruit. And you know, the coffee subdued my hunger as it always does. But yeah, if I can kind of drag my lunch to like 1 p.m. 1 p.m. is like the perfect spot. That's usually how it goes. I will see you for lunch. It's actually pretty funny. I got really hungry at about 2:11 p.m. and I walk into my kitchen and my mom has just finished making a salad. I'm like, wow, my day is just perfect. So I have a really special lunch. This is going to be chicken with a Russian salad. I love this salad. It's called vinaigrette. Let me show you. It's very healthy. So this is chicken. I'm so excited for it. And this is vinaigrette. Now this has beetroot and corn, potatoes, peas and cabbage inside of it, and pickles. Usually it doesn't have the corn from what my mom makes, but this time she decided to make corn, which I have never tried in my life before actually. And I was meant to have lunch at 1 p.m. but it got dragged to 2:15 p.m. because it got really busy at work. So I was just doing that, and then I look at the time and it's 2:15 p.m. Taste test. So good. I also have some green tea, and I put a generous teaspoon of honey in the tea. I don't always want to drink coffee. I know, shock horror. I'm gonna finish this and I'll see you for snacks / dinner. I'm not sure yet, depending on how I feel. Just giving you guys a little bit of an update. It's 3:29 p.m. and I got myself another honey and green tea. Okay, back to work. Hey guys, so it is 5:08 p.m. and this isn't me eating or anything, but I thought I would just include like physical exercise as well, since I'm just sitting at home all the time. I'm literally taking a walk near a park that's close to my house, and it's about 30 minutes because I just felt like I needed to get out. I really feel stir crazy at this point. I must admit, before I didn't feel so crazy. It was the craziest thing. I had so many things to do. Now I'm like, what things? I'm gonna see my friends every day. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna live my best life. What do you mean? So I feel like things are gonna start getting back to normal next week, and I'm super excited about it. And I decided I'm gonna do the Chloe Tings workout afterwards. So I'll see you then.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast.
Okay, it is 5:39. I have a little bit of pomegranate and some sneaky coffee just before my workout. I wasn't even gonna eat anything because I'm not hungry, but I thought this is good, you know, vitamins and an instant coffee just so I can do the Chloe Ting's workout. I'm on day 14 of the summer shred challenge, so that's halfway. I'm gonna have this pomegranate and this coffee, and I'll see you when I work out. I'm ready.
Whoa. Nobody, you been working hard. I've been on your IG page lurking, huh? New booby job, now they perfect. 6 weeks off, it was worth it. Done you working on your abs, huh? You got your ass done. You better show it off. You better work it.
Hey guys. Hey Bonnie. You're not getting any of this.
It is now 7:51 p.m. and this is going to be the last ever thing that I'm going to be eating for today. So this is my dinner. It is just your basic pasta and mince, like spaghetti bolognese sort of thing, and then olives. So this is the succulent Chinese meal.
This is Democracy Manifest.
Anyways, I'm so excited to have this. Oh my god, delicious. I have a small portion because I had 2 sachets of my oats in the morning, and usually I'm not really hungry throughout the rest of the day, which proved to be true. This looks like a huge portion, but it's not. So it's all about having small portions for dinner. What is even better is if you don't have carbs at nighttime, but since I didn't have carbs at lunchtime, it's totally okay. This is the most accurate what I eat in a day during quarantine. Sometimes I would have snacks. I was one of the many that was scared that the grocery stores were all going to be closed, so I panic bought just in case. So I could have lost weight a lot faster as well, just because I'm kind of like, oh, like I spent so much money, I might as well have all of my snacks. So I've been going through this. I've eaten a lot of them, but let me show you what I have left. And I bought a lot. I would have a carby snack, but I would have it in the middle of the day and not at nighttime. This is what I eat in a day, you guys. Mini snack quarantine panic shopping haul. This is the Nice and Natural Superfruits muesli bar. Although they are nutritional, they hold a lot of calories in them. I mean, one bar is actually 124 calories, so I guess that's okay, but just be wary with nuts. It depends also with different type of nuts, like macadamia nuts. Oh my god, so many calories. And then I have this, which I'm also halfway through as well. It is the sour cream and chives, and obviously this is not healthy at all, and it doesn't have any portion control. I literally go through half of this and I'm just like, and then I have Anzac Cookies, which are Australian and New Zealand cookies, I guess, and they're pretty good. And then I have sea salt and vinegar, which I haven't tried yet. And then, oh my god, I'm only holding one, but I legit have like a huge stack of these. I bought like a massive freaking packet of them just to munch on. So I have the veggie chips, and this is the sea salt and vinegar. This is like 90 calories, which isn't that much. Listen, you know you're a grown up when you start liking dark chocolate. I swore, I took an oath that I would never eat dark chocolate. I hate it. I was like, ugh. But now it is the only thing that I eat. Milk chocolate? Who is she? That is too sweet, and we like bitter and salty. So this is smooth dark chocolate salted caramel. I'm gonna go and have my food. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification. I appreciate you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Can't wait to see nobody. Don't be acting like you don't know nobody.